Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix charging problem in your device Samsung A04e. So if your mobile is getting charged slowly, you can fix this issue by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix slow charging problem in your device Samsung A04e.